Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clone your voice in Suno AI, step by step. Before we begin, an important note. Only use your own voice, or a voice you have clear permission to use. Do not clone another person's voice without consent, especially public figures, singers, creators, friends, or family members. Voice cloning should be used responsibly and legally. Now let's get started. First, open Suno and go to the Create page. On the Create page, look for the option called Voice. A voice creation window will open. If you have already created a voice before, you can select it from the list. But for this tutorial, we are going to create a new voice. Click Create Voice. Now Suno will ask how you want to add your voice. You may see different options, such as recording your voice directly, uploading an existing audio file, or using a song from your Suno library that already contains your voice. For the cleanest result, I recommend using a clear voice recording with little or no background noise. If you are recording your voice, use a quiet room, speak or sing clearly, and try to avoid echo, fans, traffic noise, or music in the background. If you are uploading a file, choose a clean recording of your voice. An a cappella recording, meaning voice only with no instrumental music, usually works best. After recording or uploading the audio, preview it. Listen carefully and make sure the voice is clear. If the audio sounds noisy, distorted, too quiet, or too far from the microphone, record it again before continuing. Once you are happy with the recording, click Use Voice. Next, Suno will ask you to verify the voice. This step helps confirm that the voice belongs to you and that you are allowed to use it. Suno will show a short phrase on the screen. Read that phrase clearly into your microphone. Try to speak naturally, not too fast and not too softly. Wait for the verification to finish. If verification fails, don't worry. Try again in a quieter place, speak more clearly, and make sure your microphone is working properly. After the voice is verified, you can complete the voice profile. Give your voice a name. For example, you can call it My Voice, John Vocal, Podcast Voice, or anything that helps you recognize it later. You may also see optional settings such as vocal skill level or profile image. Fill these in if you want, or leave them as default if they are not required. Before saving, make sure you confirm that you have the rights to use this voice. Then click Save. Now your voice profile is ready. The next step is to create a song using that cloned voice. Go back to the Create page. Add your lyrics in the lyrics box. These are the words that Suno will sing using your voice profile. Next, choose the style of music. For example, you can type emotional pop ballad, soft piano, modern drums, warm vocal performance, or upbeat pop rock, energetic guitar, catchy chorus, powerful vocal. Now enter a title for your song. Before clicking Create, make sure your saved voice is selected. Look for the voice option and choose the voice profile you just created. Also check that the correct Suno model is selected. If you are using the newer Voices feature, Suno recommends using model version 5.5. If you see an audio influence slider, you can increase it to make the generated result follow your uploaded voice more closely. Now click Create. Suno will generate your song using your cloned voice. Usually, you will get more than one version, so listen to each version carefully. Pay attention to the tone, pronunciation, emotion, and how closely it matches your original voice. If the result does not sound enough like you, try increasing the audio influence setting, using a cleaner voice sample, or creating a new voice profile with a better recording. If the singing style is not right, adjust your music style prompt. For example, add words like soft vocal, powerful vocal, emotional singing, relaxed performance, or high energy chorus. Once you like the result, you can save it to your library. To download it, open the song, click the three-dot menu, choose Download, and select the format available in your account. And that's it! You have cloned your voice in Suno AI and used it to create a new song. Let's quickly review the steps. Open Suno. Go to Create. Click Voice. Choose Create Voice. Record your voice, upload an audio file, or select a song from your library. Preview the audio. Verify your voice by reading the phrase shown on screen. Name and save your voice profile. Return to Create. Add lyrics. Choose a music style. Select your voice and click Create. listen, refine, and download your favorite version. That's all for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with the next Suno AI tutorial you want to see.